What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you a website that can help you make 300 to 400 United States dollars per week. So subscribe and help me get to 5,000 subscribers. I really appreciate your continued support. So I'd encourage you to watch the video all the way to the end because I'm going to take you through the whole process step by step. So with that being said, let's hop straight into the video. So I'm going to launch my web browser. So in the search box, you type textingfactory.com. You click on search. So you're going to be brought to this dashboard. So firstly, I'm going to take you through the sign up process. So once you are on this dashboard, as you can see there, it's saying your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of 300 United States dollars weekly. So how do you sign up? So you sign up by clicking on where it's saying apply now. So you're going to be brought to this display. As you can see there, it's telling you that you can earn 300 to 400 US dollars per week. So all you do is simply scroll down to start the application process. So you enter your first name. I'll enter mine quickly, and then your last name, and then you enter your email. So on this section, you simply give a reason as to why you want to be hired as a chat operator. For some of you that are not familiar, a text chat operator is simply a person who's hired by a company to offer customer services to specific clients. So the type of support or customer service that you provide, of course, will vary, and it will depend on the company, of which in our case is Texting Factory. So they will tell you exactly what they will want you to do if your application goes through. So an example of what you can type is this. I've always wanted to work as a text chat operator with Texting Factory, and therefore, given an opportunity, I feel the platform will help actualize what I've always wanted to do. So after you've typed that, you scroll down, you've got two checkboxes. So the first one, you are agreeing to the terms and conditions of the company, which is Texting Factory. And then you can also check the second one, I am at least 18 years old. And then the third box that you need to check or verify is to prove that you're a human being and not a robot. So you click on where it's saying verify you are a human. Okay, so if you are done checking out the video, so all you do is simply click on apply. And as you can see there at the bottom, thank you for filling out the form. You will soon receive an email. And I've received an email even before I finished as a confirmation of my application or interest to start making money online using Text Factory. So you go through the email. So after receiving this email, all you're supposed to do is click on verify email address. Open again using Safari. Thank you for signing up to Texting Factory. So after filling in all your details, you need to patiently wait for the guys to give you feedback as when they want new recruits. So now your name is on the waiting list. So this is simply one of the best websites that you can make money online. I'll definitely be glad to know that I've helped you find an online job to earn a few extra cash. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. If you've learned one or two things on how you can sign up for an online job to make 300 to 400 US dollars, I'll really be glad if you give this video a thumbs up. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.